Today we're looking at the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo, a compact drone designed for creators and beginners. It boasts 4K HDR video and comes with DJI's RC controller and multiple batteries for extended flight. Check the link in the description for the best price. This chart breaks down the drone's practical capabilities. Core performance is a significant strength, offering reliable flight dynamics and impressive imaging for its compact size. Its ease of use is a major plus, making it accessible and enjoyable for those new to drone piloting. The practicality is outstanding, thanks to its lightweight design and ease of transport for any adventure. You can expect good reliability from this drone, offering consistent performance during your flights. This drone is a mature and highly portable option, offering a capable flight experience and useful features for everyday aerial content creation. Evaluating the DJI Mini 3's worth against its cost. The number of features packed into this drone offers excellent value for the investment you're making. DJI's established brand trust provides significant confidence in the product's quality and longevity. Compared to other drones in its category, the Mini 3 offers a compelling value proposition. If you can find this model on sale, the value proposition becomes even more attractive. The drone offers strong value, particularly when it's discounted, providing a compelling package for its price point. Examining potential issues and buyer concerns. The build quality inspires confidence, suggesting this drone is constructed to last with proper care. You can generally count on the drone to perform as expected during your flights without major hiccups. While not exceptional, DJI's support and warranty are generally adequate for addressing most customer needs. The accompanying DJI Fly app is stable and secure, ensuring a smooth and safe user experience. Buyer risk is generally low, with the main concerns revolving around its feature set rather than major safety flaws. If you're a travel creator or a beginner looking for a user-friendly, portable DJI drone with a screen controller, the Mini 3 is an excellent choice, especially when it's on sale. However, those needing more advanced support or features beyond its class might want to look elsewhere.